So if things are on the same side of the equal sign, you don't have to add it to both sides. You don't have to do it plus twice. You don't have to do like plus 8x twice. Look, 9x subtracted by 8x, those can combine right now to make 1x. And 5 plus 14, those can combine to make 19. We don't have to add it to both sides, subtract it to both sides, because they're already on the same side together. And then we want to get x by itself, so we'll subtract 19 from both sides, so we get 1x equals 1. Now same thing over here, you got a negative sign though in front of a parentheses, so make sure that negative sign applies to everything on the inside of that parentheses. And now we don't have to add or subtract to both sides because the j's are already together. Negative 1j plus 2j gives us 1j. And negative 2 subtracted by 1, that makes negative 3. Go further back in the negatives. Then to finish getting j by itself, that makes 8. This one is kind of written ugly. Let me see if I can fix that. That's ugly because it's long too. 10n minus 4 minus 6n minus 4n plus 1. Okay. So there's a number in front of a parentheses, so you got to multiply that number to everything inside the parentheses. Let's start with that. 10n subtracted by 40 subtracted by 6n. Now this is a negative 4. You got to take the sign that's in front of the number when you do this multiplication. That's going to make negative 4n, but watch out here. This is minus 4 because negative 4 times 1 makes negative 4. So you could say plus a negative 4 if you want, but make sure you take that negative sign with you. Okay, so we got 15n subtracted by 14n, that makes 1n, and now negative 3 plus 9, that makes 6. That actually could kind of looks like something called natural log. There we go. We got 10 subtracted by 6n subtracted by 4n. Look, this is 10 minus 6 minus 4. That makes no n, so those cancel out. And now negative 40 subtracted by 4, you're going further back in the negatives. Subtract 6 from both sides, and again, you start on negative 44. If you subtract 6, you're going further back in the negatives, so that brings you to negative 50. And so that's what n is. We got 1n equals negative 50.